Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you 3 recipes that I've been enjoying lately. If you guys enjoy this video, please be sure to subscribe. It's completely free. Enjoy the video!
Okay, so the first recipe I'm going to show you guys is banana cinnamon French toast. You'll need a banana, an egg, some cinnamon, some bread, and some water. Now first, you want to take your banana and peel it, of course, and then you're going to want to mash it. Now I use a little bit of water to help me mash the banana to get it to be a nice liquidy consistency. And after some mixing, I throw some cinnamon in there. After my banana mixture is completed, I work on my egg mixture. Now, usually I just crack an egg and then pour some water in there and scramble it about. After mixing my mixtures, I turn the burner on to about medium, and then I dip my bread into each mixture once the pan is hot, and I put it on the pan and start cooking. Now, pro tip, while the French toast is cooking on the burner, I like to add a little extra cinnamon to my bread just to make it extra cinnamony and sweet. And while the French toast is cooking, I use the other half of the banana that I didn't use to chop into slices to put on the toast once it's done. And for the final finishing touch, I put some yummy maple syrup on my French toast. And voila, that is banana cinnamon French toast. Now the next recipe I'm going to show you guys, which I've been making a lot of lately, is a breakfast burrito. You'll need an egg, some cheese, meat of your choice, olive oil, garlic powder, tomatoes, an onion, and tortilla bread. The first thing I usually do when making this breakfast burrito is I peel and cut up an onion into small little slices. Doesn't really matter how you guys do this, just slice it however you want. Next, I wash my tomatoes and cut them up into thin slices. Then I turn my burner onto medium, put some oil onto my pan, and I caramelize my onions while also using some garlic powder. After the onions are done, I scramble up an egg and I pour it into the same pan that I used for the onions. Now, pro tip, I don't wash the pan after I cook the onions because I want the onion juice to be a part of the egg mixture. And now it's time to assemble the burrito with the tortilla bread, some turkey, some cheese, some tomatoes, the caramelized onions, and the scrambled eggs. Then I set my air fryer to 350 degrees and I pop that burrito into the air fryer for about 5 minutes. And voila, that is my breakfast burrito all complete. And now for the final recipe that I'm going to show you guys is my own little salad with a homemade dressing and homemade croutons. Now the first recipe I'm going to show you guys is the dressing. You'll need some soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, water, peanut butter, and brown sugar. Basically, what I do for this dressing is I kind of eyeball the measurements. I don't really measure each ingredient, so I just pour in some soy sauce and some teriyaki sauce, and then I put in the peanut butter, and then I put in some water and some brown sugar, and I mix it up until I feel it tastes how I want it to taste. Now for the actual salad. You'll need some celery, lettuce, tomato, and a fruit of your choice. I'm using pineapples here. Now the first thing I do is I wash my lettuce, which I didn't show here, and then I break it up into smaller chunks so that way it is easier to eat. Then I cut up my grated tomatoes in half and just toss them into the salad. Nothing too fancy here with the tomatoes. Then I cut up my celery into very small, thin little slices, And finally, I cut up my pineapple, which is already technically cut up, into smaller chunks to make it easier to eat. Now it's time for the croutons. You'll need some bread, various seasonings, and oil. The first thing I usually do to make these croutons is I toast my bread, and then I cut up my toasted bread into small chunks. And after that, I pour some oil into a bowl, and then I dip the toast into the oil, and then I season it. I like to use garlic powder, dash, and cumin. Then I set my air fryer to 350 degrees, and I throw my seasoned croutons into the oven for about 5 minutes until they're nice and toasty, as you guys can see here. And voila! There is my finished salad, all complete.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to subscribe. Like I said earlier, it's completely free. Also, be sure to click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!